Hello, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Talks. And today I'm going to talk about Green Panel, which can be a wealth creator over a few years. So let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation, and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Green Panel, here a small request that kindly support me on Patreon. And once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up on short-term, long-term calls and markets. And if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months, so that's a 15% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join me on YouTube or send me an email, and there are other means of paying for the membership. Now, about the company established in 2017, Green Panel Industries have more than 3,000 outlets pan India and is the largest manufacturer of wood panels. It uses renewable agroforestry products in order to make the wood panels, and the market cap of the company has dipped to around 6,000 crores. It's a pure economy play, so once the economy picks up steam, this company is set to do extremely well. Now about the financials, so these are Q4 numbers, the March quarter numbers that were just out. So sales went up by 20%, profit jumped by around 44%, which is quite a decent numbers in a very difficult environment. There's decent combined promoter and institutional holding for the company. The return on equity is around 33%. Margins have expanded to around 29% from 24%. So there have been a big margin expansion from the pandemic times of FY20 and 21, and things are looking extremely good for such businesses. Why I believe this stock can be big is that green products will remain more in demand as we move along and go forward in the next decade or so, with the kind of environmental pollution we are seeing here in India and the environmental situation that are especially here in the urban states of India, in say Maharashtra or New Delhi. Long-term housing demand will remain intact, so once new innovative houses or housing space is built, we could be looking at a situation where people will be looking for new innovative living spaces and manufacturing. Strong operational numbers is in a difficult economy shows strength of business, and it seems like that the operational numbers in a difficult economy shows that once the economy picks up, I think things will look even better going forward. It has been gaining market share in this plywood and the wood industry. We are seeing that happening, that most of the companies, say Century Plywood, etc., has been doing extremely well, and Green Panel has been gaining market share in this sort of an industry, in a niche business that it is into, and currently it trades at around 2.5-3 times sales, which is not that great. It doesn't look like that it's extremely expensive, and it has come down from the top at least 25% lower from the all-time high, so looks very attractively priced. In terms of technicals, it has been 3x over the last 1 year, have been doing well for the past few weeks, but has declined over the last 1 week. As I see it, when I made the presentation, it was around 7,000 crore market cap, and today it is trading at around 6,000 crore market cap. It has declined by around 12-13% in a week. The major breakout is expected above 800 levels. It has pretty much gone down from the highs. It may consolidate for a while here. It's a very liquid stock, so be careful if you trade into it. I would say you can invest over a 5-6 year period. It can be pretty big. I think it can be 4 to 5x over the next 5-6 years. Remember that it has run up a lot, so a consolidation phase would be there, but that would be a buying opportunity only for investors. So in my opinion, buy only if you have a 3 to 5 year view. may see consistent 25-30% returns or doubler over 3 years and maybe 4x over the next 5 to 6 years. Wait for massive declines to buy into it and only take small positions. That much money you put in that you're not worried about for the next 4 or 5 years to be taken out. I think the sector will be in a long term bull run as we go along and as things of inflation subsides and have less than 5% exposure into such stocks. So this is my video on Green Panel. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. And kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.